Hello and welcome. So now we're going to be looking at really going into some of the personalization that you can do for something. Now, this is really useful and it isn't very much used, but again, it's just because most people use our system to do, say, 30% or 20% of what it can do. But if you want to, you can make a real individualized learning experience. Now, we've touched upon how you do that in terms of setting a schedule within it. But let's say now within that schedule, what I also want to do is I want to leave a real personalized message at the beginning of, say, these theories of learning. So when I go into that, and you see where I've gone into it now, it's this video page, and it's going to be useful for us. I'm going to remember this, that we've gone into understanding your primary school children, and we've gone to theories of learning. Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to leave a little note for this learner, and this really personalizes stuff because they'll come to this video, they'll have a pop-up, as you'll see in a second, and then what you're able to do is, or choose to do, is you can leave them notes. So say I play this video, and we'll watch the first seconds together.
Theories of learning. In this section, I'll be talking about theories of learning.
Now, say I've been discussing theories of learning with one of my mentees, and I want to give them an opportunity to really assess and understand. I'll drop them a personalized message. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add an audio note, and it's going to be shared, as you see here, with a student. So I'm going to select the students, and this could be the whole class, or in our case, I'm just going to make it for Mia, and I'm going to choose to do that and press done. And then when I go to next, because I've selected my student, I'm going to leave a little message for her to encourage her with a given item, or I can leave her a note as well, and this will only come up for the student I've selected. So I'll start my recording. Hi Mia, this is what we were talking about the other day when I said I wanted you to really concentrate on some of the learning theories. I want to see that a bit more in your practice. So in your planning, I want you to write down and make a note, please, of which learning theories you are using, or utilizing, should I say, in that instance. Thank you. And so there you see, it's really powerful. Not only do I have to go and meet the mentor to leave them, or meet the mentee, should I say, to leave them that piece of note or that piece of advice, or a little bit of, power or encouragement, whatever it is I want to do, I'm giving them an option to actually have it right on the video. So as they're going through what I may have set them, or when they're going through part of their course, I can, get ahead of them, almost like kind of meeting them earlier in traffic or a bus stop or something, where I'm leaving that for them, and they will come across my voice and my learning, my ideas. So there you see the video event is created, and in this instance it has come up for me in the same way that it's come from the learner. So we're going to start that video again, just so you get an idea of what the learner experience now will be. So imagine that the learner has signed in now.
Theories of learning.
Now we press play, sorry.
In this section, I'll be talking about theories of learning.
Start my recording. Hi Mia, this is what we were talking about the other day when I said I wanted you to really concentrate on some of the learning theories. And there you see, I am able to leave a note or a message or a link or a this or a that, whatever I want. I can leave that for my learn on any video. And so you see now you can personalize not only the material that you have, you can personalize the material that we're adding on there to really make it more interesting for your learner and to personalize it. Now, just for reference, videos that have those on them, the efficacy of that personalization and that support and them hearing your voice has a huge retention rate, because if you leave a message for someone at the beginning of the video, you're basically saying, I've put the effort into trying to help you understand this better, so please pay extra attention. And that's what we always find. We never get an instance where there is a video note left by a teacher personalized for that, and the student or learner does not complete that video. Obviously, at other times we find that they don't, but that's one way we find that they're able to do that. Now, that is a very underused tool on the teacher training platform, but on our student platform, Tuition Kit, that is one of the most used features. So yeah, I guess just different things, different times, different people. So hopefully that's of use to you. And yes, please do create as many video events as you can.